No, I ain't in it. Ladies and gentlemen, look at all the police cars right in front of us. We are stopped in the middle of 55. I'm talking about we the first car in the middle of 55. They still pulling up in the middle of 55, y'all. They still pulling up. I don't know what this car did. I don't know what they did, but we is right here. And I hope they just go on take them. Oh, okay, they got them. They got them. I'm glad they didn't have to shoot, because oh my, and they still got some more people who won't come out the car. Please, Lord, let the people come out the car. It ain't even worth it. They got you. And they coming from across the street. Did y'all see them come from across? Oh, no. Oh, no. See what I'm saying? Whatever you, it don't pay off. It don't even pay off. It don't even pay off. Lord, gee. These jokers got a machine gun. Oh, no. Man, please, just quit. Just stop. Whatever you doing, whatever you did, just give up. Say, I quit. Just go and say, I quit. That's all you need to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the first car. I don't know if you can see. I ain't going no further. If you can't see from right here, I'm sorry. But these folk got their guns drawn. And I'm up here riding behind the trooper just cruising on the sheriff. You hear me? And that was smooth how they did it, though. That was smooth how they did it. Well, they got them, y'all. They sure got them. Oh, they got them people. They done got these people. I don't know what these people did, y'all, but please, don't do it. Whatever they done did, y'all don't need to do that. Y'all don't need to do it. 1, 2, 3, it's 4, enough of them. You ain't even need to count. 6, 7. These jokers coming from the north side of 55 and the south side of 55. And the sheriff just rolled up and cruised nice and was just cruising for the what, last 10, 20 miles? Yeah, I told you. And then I'm like, what are you police cars doing? Then these jokers just cruised and just lit them up. They said, that's the one, get him. I guess they got him because he done lowered the shotgun. Whatever y'all done did, please don't do it no more. Don't you do it no more. Don't do it no more. Amen. Y'all see our law enforcement in Arkansas doing a great job. Great job, law enforcement in the state of Arkansas. Ladies and gentlemen, looks like it's about to be cleared up. Great job here. This is Isaac Green signing off with Green and Green News. Ladies and gentlemen, we're free to go.